How's it going, guys? Vincent here, and in this video we're going to be going over how you can remove the headers from a Subaru. And this is a Subaru Forester 2006, and I've already got this thing apart, but I did have some clips and it should be able to help some people who need to take off the headers, because getting the headers off in this car is a little bit tricky. I have already taken out the radiator. I think you don't need to take out the radiator to actually do this job, but it does give you easier access to this area where you've got your two O2 sensor cables that need to come off. And then also, if you haven't taken any of these other parts off, what you'll need to do first is get the splash shield off. And once you've got the splash shield off, you'll have access to 9 14-mil bolts that hold the actual headers on. These are the actual headers. They have gaskets that are still on the other side of this engine. And then in addition to that, you'll make sure to disconnect the actual O2 sensor cables and then drop this thing. This does weigh a fair amount, so I recommend having some kind of thing to support it while you're taking it off. But what you're about to see is a compilation of clips that should help you along this process if you need to do this. So hope this video helps, and stay tuned. These are 12s. Definitely. So splash shield is off. There is this little bracket right here, and I don't know what's holding it on, but if I completely drop the headers right now, it's going to pull these O2 sensor cables with it, and it might break them, so that's bad. I gotta somehow either get these plastic clips off this bracket or just remove this bracket from the engine block. So we managed to get off the two little plastic connectors here. The tool that really saved the day for me was the pick. As this thing was in there, I used the pick to kind of depress the little tab to get it to come out, and then also was able to get this pick underneath to help pull it, and we were able to get both O2 sensor cables removed from this little bracket right here. So now we can completely drop the headers on this car. Alrighty, so now we're gonna head underneath the car to take off the headers. First, you've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, and this is what the headers look like on our Subaru. And then we do have a gasket on this that connects to the main downpipe on the car. Getting these little gray plastic tabs out at the end was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we got it. Now we've got a much better view underneath here. And we still got the old gaskets on. I think I'm gonna replace those. Yeah, we can see everything a lot more clearly, which is great. So head gasket is right here, and yeah, I hope this video helps people. Definitely is dirty. Still got the old gasket on here too, so yeah, I'm gonna keep on chugging.